the Canadian Tech Spotlight at DX3 with Adam from Hovr.It. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
What does Hovr.It do?
So that's a great question. Right now, we're really focusing on helping online shoppers discover products in places where you normally couldn't discover. So what Hovr.It is technology that you would install into your browser that would make images online clickable for product search. So if you're someone who likes to use, let's say, Pinterest, but are frustrated that that link never takes you to your retailer, using our Hovr.It software, you can actually click on that image and then find retailers who sell that product all within the destination of discovery, so all at the point of discovery.
Let's talk a little bit about how the technology works, because this is very interesting. It's not as though one brand comes to you and says, hey, I want to use Hovr.It, but instead they need to be almost listed in a database of images. So can you talk a little bit about that side of the business?
Sure. I mean, like in essence, I would say it's every retailer's best interest to provide us with their data so that we can serve it up to our customers, or our users, should I say. Ultimately, the tool is built for the online shopper. The real pain is I see something I like, but I don't know where to find it. So we want to bridge that gap and connect discovery to retail in a real-time way that addresses their needs. From a technology perspective, I mean, that's a little bit of a secret sauce, but I like to kind of describe it as the components are like the ingredients to bake a cake are at the supermarket, but it's my job to make the best cake. And so that's really where the technology comes in. We've put together and done our research around how do we take image recognition and apply it to a very specific use case so that we can provide very quality relationships between an item that you're looking for and then the database that we have that connects to it.
It must be pretty complex though, because in some image search engines, really it's just one image that people are searching for, but in your case, it could be individual items that are within an image. Maybe I go and take a picture myself and I have 6 different brands on. Correct. So it works in a different way, right?
Correct. I mean, like this right now, so it's been in launch since kind of December, and we have kind of a great group of users who are using it, who are engaged all the time. To be able to address that specific problem. We have a couple tricks up our sleeve to do that. I mean, I won't share it right now.
You seem pretty secretive at it.
No.
Okay, so how do you make money from Hovr.It? What's the special sauce to that?
Sure, so it's funny because a lot of people today have said, do I have to pay for it? Absolutely not. From a user's perspective, they don't pay for anything. Ultimately, what we want to do with Hovr.It from a business perspective is to drive high qualified leads. Visual search is extremely engaging and converts really well. What we do is we position that back to the retailer to say, well, we're going to provide you a very qualified lead in exchange for a CPC or a commission. So right now, even with the version we have today, because of the way we're connected to our affiliate networks that we work with, we earn commission, we earn per click revenue in that way.
It makes perfect sense to me as a business. How do you stop from other people going out and copying the idea? Maybe they exist already. How do you make it so you do something that's kind of exclusive or different or better than other competitors?
There are some things out there, but nothing that comes close. So really, in order to provide the experience that people want, we have to provide good quality set of comparables, and that comes as a function of kind of 3 different inputs. And with those inputs, we maximize around them. So one is the image recognition technology itself. The other one, and it was kind of a very key piece of insight when we first started, which was don't assume you know what I'm looking for, but build the functionality such that I can find what I'm looking for and let me decide. So that's really kind of been our mantra through the whole thing. So we're just surrounding the experience and those key features that an online shopper will need to go from position of discovery into retailer.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for joining us today, and good luck with everything.